Hi, I'm Dora, and today I'd like to introduce to you Singapore's very first 3D AR map. So this map was created by TTG and LDR. You can collect this map anywhere at the airport, hotels or tourist centers. So let's take a look at the map here. As you can see, there are several AR icons showcasing Singapore's hotspots. So for example, we have Singapore River here or Marina Bay here. So let me show you more about how we can use Locomole app to interact with this AR icon. So this is the Locomole homepage. All you have to do is click on the TTG 3D AR map of Singapore. And then you have to click go. So this is the brief description of this map. Then you click the AR scan.
Hello, I'm Sir Stamford Raffles. Welcome to Singapore.
Find out more to know more about the Singapore River. So this is one of the package that we have, Singapore River Trail plus the discount coupons and the Singapore River Cruise ticket. So this is the description, and if you want to know more about this package, you just have to click here. And this is the Singapore River Trail. You can click on highlights to learn more about what this trail is about. You can even watch a video by the SMU students. Yep. And you also can see places that you can visit on this trail. And if you've decided to buy this package, all you have to do is click pay and you'll just get to the purchasing site. So that's how you can use Locomole app to interact with this 3D AR map. Thank you!